Hello there, my name is Dana Jean Antonelli. I'm a certified etiquette consultant. If you're new here, welcome. In this channel, I talk about manners, modern etiquette, self-development, and anything else that can help you become the best version of yourself. If you've been here before, I'm very happy to welcome you back. So for today's video, we will be going over how to stand tall, have that good posture, and we will be talking about how to walk in heels and in flats. I know I've talked to you about how to sit like a lady and also a gentleman. So this time, it's all about standing tall and walking with purpose. So let's get to it. Now, having good posture is really important because not only will it show how much confidence you have, it's all about, again, having that first lasting impression on someone. You have 7 seconds, and one of the most important aspects of that is having good posture. So again, it's just standing tall, it shows that you are confident and that you are secure within yourself. So if you see yourself hunched down or if you catch yourself hunched down, just fix that posture right up. Now, let's get into the tips of having good posture. So the way you want to stand tall is you want to imagine that there's a string on the top of your head that's lifting you up like you're a puppet. Literally imagine that in your head. It will automatically help you lift your body up. Now you want to always make sure your chin is parallel to the ground. You never want it low like this because it just shows that you are shy and you're timid. And you don't want to be like this because it can come off as arrogant and you're better than everyone else. So you just want to make sure it is neutral, parallel to the ground, just like so. Now you also want to make sure that your shoulders are rolled back and down. Now I do this all the time. I've certainly caught myself just rolling my shoulders back, but never down. And then like 5 minutes later, I'm like, oh my God, why are my shoulders tense? Because I never roll them down. So again, roll your shoulders back and down. Now a good practice to do at home or, wherever you may be, is to just do this. Like when you're stretching or working out, right? You usually stretch your body and do all these exercises. So that will help you, but do it exaggeratedly. So roll your shoulders back and down. Now, a good way to test your posture is doing the wall test. So ultimately, you just want to stand against the wall with your back, your shoulders, and your butt leaned up against the wall. You want about 2 to 4 inches from your heel to the wall. And the way you test it is you want to take your hand, slide it between your lower back and the wall. And if it slides in easily, then you have good posture. Now, if there's too much space, then you want to tuck your lower stomach a little bit more so that way it doesn't slide in as easily. And if it's too tight, then you might want to arch your back a little bit to have enough space. And once you've mastered that, then you can walk with that posture. So now let's talk about walking. Now I'm gonna talk about walking in heels and then flats. So I'm at a point in my life now where my heels are little kitten heels. I can no longer wear 4, 5, 6 inches like I used to. Once in a while, yes, but they hurt my feet, right? I mean, ladies, you guys can relate. Now, the way you want to walk in heels is you want to pretend that there's an invisible line between your legs and pretend as if you're a tightrope walker or you're doing the sobriety test, which please do not drink and drive, but this is just an example. So the way you walk is you want to put one foot in front of the other, just like so, but don't over exaggerate it to the point where your foot is going all the way across to the other side and vice versa. You will lose balance and you will fall, and that is just not a good look. So now let's talk about how to walk with flats on. This is very different from walking with heels. With heels, we talked about having that invisible line between your legs. With flats, you want to pretend that there's two invisible lines, one in each foot, as if you have skis that just went on forever. You just want to walk straight like so. Now, another thing you could do to test if you have good posture in walking is doing the book test. It's as easy as placing the book on your head and balancing it, right? This will ensure that you have good posture. It literally forces you to engage your stomach and lift your shoulders, but make sure to roll it back and your chin parallel to the ground, so that way the book doesn't fall off your head. So let's give it a try. It's as easy as placing the book on top of your head, just balancing it, and you are walking with purpose and with grace. You also want to sway your arms naturally. You don't want to be too robotic as such, but you want to give it a nice flow. And you are the Princess of Genova. And there you have it. It's as easy as that to have good posture and walking with purpose. Please do practice it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. I do post twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays. I am also on Instagram and TikTok for quick bursts of etiquette tips. Please follow me along at Dana Jean Antonelli, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.